All right, today we're going to cover the real estate market from Clearwater Beach down to St. Pete Beach. Just along the beach, we're going to take a look at the beach market. We're going to dive into my computer. Actually, we're going to take a look at the MLS. We're going to look at real live data so you can get a feel for what I look at every single day when I start my day. When I get to my office, I'm always looking at this data, and I thought I'd share it with you. So let's dive in. Let's take a look at it. I've prepared some charts. You guys are going to enjoy this. So, like I said, we're just looking at the beach market. So you can see I draw this line, and I save this so that it's easy for me to get to every day. But it's just covering just the beach market here. And when you take a look at the criteria on actually what it is we're looking at, we're going to take a look at how many condos are on the market, how many homes are on the market, and we're just going to really dissect this and take a look at what's really going on, how many months of inventory we have, and things like that. So right now we have everything that's on the market right now, right? There's, as you can see, these numbers down here will change as I change the criteria on what it is I'm looking for. We're going to right away, we're going to change this, and we're going to go to say, let's see, we'll do $100,000 or more, because anything under $100,000 could be a rental. Like, there are some rentals out there that are like $20,000, $25,000 a month. So I just want to get rid of all the lower price point. And when I do that, you can see that there's 1,312 listings on the market right now. Then let's take a look. How many of those are actual condominiums? Okay, 747 of those active listings right now are actual condominiums. And let's see how many of them could be condo hotels too, right? So 820 of them really are condos, because you got condos and condo hotels. Now, the rest of them, that just means they're either townhouses or single family homes, and things like that. And so if you take a look at, right now we're just looking at active listings, right? So if we take a look at how many sold here in the last, well, let's not look at the last 180 days. Let's take a look at the last 30 days. This is what I like about this, because I'm able to get a really, really good pulse on the market, on what's going on, because a lot of the data that you see out there is delayed by 30 days most of the time, at least. So right now, in the last 30 days, we had 108 condominiums and condo hotels close. Now remember, I said that there was 840. Let's write this down, right? Let's take a look at this. So we'll actually just use a calculator here. We got 820 listings, and we're going to divide that by how many sold in the last 30 days. We had 108 closings, condos and condo hotels, right? So that leaves us with right around 7.5 months of inventory on the market right now, of condos and condo hotels. Now, if you take a look at everything that is on the market in the beach, I call it the beach market, we have what? We had 1,300. Right now we have 201 closings, right? So most of those closings were actually, we had how many? We had 108. So there was over 100, there's almost 100 closings that were single family, townhomes, things like that. Let's take a look. How many active listings were there? Oh, let's see here. There was 1,312 active listings, and if you want to divide that by the sold number, we have 201. So you divide that by 201, and you have about 6.5 months of inventory on the market right now. Now, if you want to take a look at just the townhomes and everything else except for the condos and the condo hotels, you had 93 closings last month, is what it's telling us. And the active listings of those are 492. So you got 492, divide that by 93, you got about five months, like right over 5 months of inventory of regular homes, single family townhomes on on the market, in the beach market right now. So that's pretty interesting. And the price point is everything above $100,000. So if it's below $100,000, it's not even included in here. Let's take a look at a chart that I actually have prepared for us. It looks right there. It tells us, right, in the month of July, there's 1,293 active listings. And like I said, see, data like this is delayed, right? We just looked and saw exactly what's going on with the market right now. And there's actually one other thing I really like to look at, and that's the pending. How many went pending in the last 30 days? And this tells me what next month is going to look like, because on average it takes anywhere from 30 to 45 days to close a transaction. You can do it quicker than that, but on average that's what it's going to take. And so we have 45. These are just single family homes. There's 45 of them that went pending, and that's a lot less than the 93 closings that we had in the last 30 days. Now, if you want to take a look at the condo hotels, 66 of them went pending, right? And like I said, 66 of them went pending of the 800. And so that tells me that the months of inventory are actually going to go up, right? In this time of the market, that's not unusual for this time of the market here in this area. We're getting ready to get into our busy season, really, as the weather up north starts to get colder and people start wanting to come back down when it's a little cooler down here, but warmer than up there. We're getting ready to come into our busy season, so you know this is not unusual. All right, we can take a look like at months of inventory, which we already got a really good pulse on what's going on there. So really, I'm not even that interested in what's going on with the months of inventory. But if you look at, let's see, where is it? That's the number of listings, active listings versus volume. There's all these different things that they have for us to look at. We can do sale. Where's the average sale price? That's what I really like. That's what I'm looking for here. Sale price average. Here it is. And we're going to go ahead. We're going to take a look at this. It's going to calculate it. And so you can see right here. Wow. We had a nice dip. But again, that's not unheard of in this market for this time period. It could be the opposite where you are because you guys are probably in your busy season. But your average sale price was $1 million in June. It dropped down to $875,000. That's a big dip, right? But let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the last 10 years and see how that compares. And you're going to see, like, in July, let's see here. Oh, this is November. This is, what is this? This is February. Where is, I want to see another July. That's what I'm really looking for here. April, May, June. No, that's July. You see how July dipped? So that was back in 2017 even. So we're not seeing anything out of the ordinary here. It's just the time of the year, the market. But here's very interesting, right? The average price, you can see, continues to go up. And then we had, well, this craziness that happened here. And then prices just continue to go up. So with real estate, that's one thing that is a great investment that you usually don't ever lose money on unless you bought it up here and for some reason you had to turn around and sell it the very next month. Then maybe you might have lost money. But typically people are going to hold it for 4 or 5 years, and then they're going to sell it again when the market is up here. So if you're looking to buy or sell, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you guys. Until next time, guys, have a great week. Talk to you guys later.